Are you looking for a resort, guest house, or any type of hotel website for your business? Or a tourism, inn, travel agency, gallery, or blog website for your resort or hotel? Introducing Resort TNC, the best Webflow hotel resort template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNocde.com. Here, you need to search Resort TNC. Take a look at our Resort TNC template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of Resort TNC. Resort TNC has a modern, trendy, and elegant design that lets you easily add your touch to make your website shine. This Webflow template offers seamless customization features, allowing you to personalize every aspect and ensure a cohesive online experience that perfectly represents your brand. This Webflow template contains all the elements, pages, and sections a resort or hotel website should have. Resort TNC features easy customization, stunning visuals, and seamless integration to inspire and convert clients. This template allows you to publish informative blog posts, news, and testimonials highlighting your services with powerful CMS integration. Showcase your resorts and hotels' beauty with stunning video sections. Highlight your best offers with responsive sliders. Showcase the beauty of resort services with stunning aesthetics. This Webflow template provides a user-friendly platform to highlight your offerings in style. Whether you are a resort or hotel owner or just starting out, Resort TNC is the best choice for creating a website that meets your needs. Here, you will find a page where visitors can get the details of each room perfectly. After that, here you will find our services page. Our services page has all the necessary pages about how many services you provide at your hotel or resort. Whether you are a resort or hotel owner or just starting out, Resort TNC is the best choice for creating a website that meets your needs. Then, here you can display impressive blog for your clients. The blog page is properly designed so that visitors can find and read the blog they are looking for. You will perfectly highlight every advantage. Visitors can find accurate information for water sports, fitness centers, restaurants, or game rooms. The Resort TNC template ensures every section you need for your template. Immerse your visitors in the beauty of your service with a perfect visual gallery. Perfectly showcase your resort or hotel images to get more visitors and attract new customers. If you need new staff for your resort or hotel, you can post job offers on this career page so that anyone can explore exciting opportunities, enjoy competitive advantages, and work in a stunning environment. Also, here you will find our offer page, where you can highlight each offer perfectly so that you get more bookings based on your offer. Resort TNC is the perfect template that suits the needs of every hotel owner. With this template, you'll be well on your way to captivating guests, increasing bookings, and ultimately giving your resort the online presence it deserves. Now, let's see how to use Resort TNC. This is our template Resort TNC. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here, you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on navbar and select the nav link, what I want to change. Here I replaced this nav link name from Home with our resort. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. After that, you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to ThemeNocde LLC. Then, I also rewrite this subtitle too. You can see how easy it is to customize this template. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button and it shows all the options for editing this button. Have a look. Here I changed this button name from View Details to Click Here. You can also change the button link, preload, page connection, open type, or URL. After that, you can change this image by clicking on Replace Image option. You can easily change, edit, add or delete any text or images in this template. Just select the element and do whatever you want. After that, you will find our video section here. You can easily change the video by clicking on the Replace Video option. You also get options to include loop video, autoplay video, play or pause button. Here, you will find our news and blog section. All of these come from CMS items. If you want to change, edit, add or delete any of these content or any other CMS items, you need to enter the CMS collections. Here, you will find all of these. If you want to learn more about Webflow CMS items management, click the I button of this video, or I will attach the video link in the description box. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. After that, you can edit or change each link or text. So, you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best resort or hotel template, get Resort TNC, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNocde.com.